Everyone, today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we will learn how to read using the fuller approach. So once again, this is teacher Yumi, and please don't forget to subscribe and please click the bell button so that you will get notified for my next video upload. So let us start. We will start with the ab family. Okay, we will read ab, 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 cab, j, ab, jab, ab, lab, g, ab, gab, ab, tab, ab, fab. Okay, this time I want you to read it. Okay, very good. Add family. Add, 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 add. Add, bad. Add, dad. Add, lad. Add, mad. Add, pad. Add, sad. Okay, we'll read it again. Bad, dad, lad, mad, pad, sad. Okay, it's your turn to read. Okay, very good. Ag family. Ag, 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 ag. Ag, bag. G, ag, gag. Ag, hag. Her, ag, rag. Ag, nag. Ag, tag. Ag, wag. Okay, we'll read it together. Bag, gag, hag, rag, nag, tag, wag. Your turn to read. Okay, very good. Family. Am, 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 am. Am, cam. Am, dam. Am, ham. Am, jam. Am, ram. Am, yam. Okay, let's read. Cam, dam, ham, jam, ram, yam. Okay, kindly read. Okay, very good. An family. An, 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 an. An, can. An, fan. An, man. An, pan. An, ran. An, van. Okay, let's read together. Can, fan, man, pan, run, van. Okay, it's your turn to read. Okay, good. App family. App, 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 app. App, cap. G, app, gap. App, lap. App, map. App, nap. App, tap. Okay, let's read together. Cap, gap, lap, map, nap, tap. Your turn to read. Okay, very good. Our family. Our, 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 our. B, our, bar. K, our, car. F, our, far. J, our, jar. T, our, tar. W, our, war. Okay, let's read together. Bar, car, far, jar, tar, war. Now your turn to read. Okay, very good. At family. At, 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 at. At, cat. At, fat. At, mat. At, rat. At, sat. At, bat. Okay, let's read together. Cat, fat, mat, rat, sat, bat. Okay, now let's practice reading sentences with CVC words. A man has a van. A man has a van. Again, a man has a van. Dan has a rag. Dan has a rag. Okay, your turn to read. Very good. The bag has a tag. The bag has a tag. Okay, your turn to read. Very good. Pat has a mat. Pat has a mat. Okay, your turn. The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. Okay, read. Okay, very good. I have a fan in the bag. I have a fan in the bag. Okay, read. The map has a gap. The map has a gap. Okay, read. Dad has a cap. Dad has a cap. Okay, you read. Pam was sad. Pam was sad. Okay, you read. Okay, very good. The rat is fat. The rat is fat. Okay, your turn to read. Very good. The bag is on the mat. The bag is on the mat. Okay, you read it. Very good. The jar is in the car. The jar is in the car. Okay, read. The fan is in the van. The fan is in the van. Okay, read. Very good. The pad is in the bag. The pad is in the bag. Okay, read. Okay, very good. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is teacher Eummie saying thank you and God bless. But please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you'll get notified for my next video upload. Thank you and God bless. Bye.